All right. So again, you need to find for each situation the sample space. So for number 2, we want to try to find the sample space. That's not just the number of outcomes, but also I want to know what each outcome would be. There are different ways. If you wanted to, you could set up like a little chart maybe. And so you would write, okay, I have brown sandal in a size 7, brown sandal in a size 8, brown sandal in a size 9. Then I have a black sandal in a size 7. Again, try to stay as organized as possible. Black in a size 8, and then black in a size 9. All right, that's one way to solve it. Some students I know were doing brown and then black, and then they did a tree diagram. So you have a 7, an 8, and a 9. A 7, an 8, and a 9. So then your options are a brown, and unfortunately I'm running out of room, a brown 7, a brown 8, a brown 9, also a black 7, a black 8, and a black 9. Either way, whether you do like a chart, whether you do a tree diagram, how many or what is your sample space for this one?
Yeah, 6.
6. So your sample space equals 6. Nicely done. Any questions on that one?
Nope.
All right. Going on. This guy spins a spinner with 4 equal sections labeled A, B, C, and D twice. Okay? If the letter A is spun at least once, Geraldo wins. However, Odell wins. Otherwise Odell wins. Use the list to find the sample space, then find the probability of that Odell wins. So let's go ahead and let's just list this out. So spin 1, he has an A. Spin 2, what's an option that he could have? Another A. Spin, the next spin, let's stay with all A's. What's the next option for a second spin? Okay. He could have an A, and then what's another option?
C.
And he could have an A, and what's his last option for having an A first? His last option would be what? What do you think? We've got A, B, C, and then D. All right, let's keep going. So now, what would be your next? What would be logical to keep organized? A B. And then what could be his second spin? A. You guys get the hang of this? B, 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 C, and B, D. Staying organized, what would be the next letter you'd probably want to use? C. So C, A, C, B, C, C, and C, D. And then what are we left with for our first spin here?
D.
D. So you could have D, A, D, B, D, C, and D, D. Now, Geraldo, or Gerando. Okay, the G guy. Again, he can win if he spins an A. So how many up there have at least one A in it? How many up there have at least one A?
7. Oops.
All right, so for the G guy to win, he has 7 options out of how many total? What is your sample space again for this one? 16. This is how I first solved it. However, when I reread it, it says, what's the probability of Odell winning? Okay? This is kind of like, what does anyone remember the name of that where it's the other part? What was that? Does anyone remember that? Oh, okay. The complementary event, so basically the other one. So if 7, 6 goes with this G guy, what is left for the O guy to win? Yes? 9. How did you find that 9? What did you do? Do you know?
16 and 7.
Yeah, 16 is the total. If you take away the 7, you're left with 9 left over. So the probability of this O guy winning, let's rewrite this better. So the probability of Odell winning is 7/16. Can I reduce that at all? Oh, sorry, yeah, we were to erase that and then change it. 9/16. Can I reduce 9/16?
Yes.
Yes, oh, by what?
No.
Oh,
No.
oh, you can, but you'd end up with some weird.
Yeah, no, we can't reduce this